excellence. No?
We are now seeing the entrance of our interlodge.
Yes.
Sa atong police, madamo nga salamat.
Rose Emination. Yes. Okay.
Approaching the stage,
approaching.
Kagawad, Barangay Villamonte Council, and PDRRMO.
Headed by
the
Cap.
Romel Flores.
Romel Flores.
With the highway and emergency
Yes.
situation. May 1, 2026, Barangay
Yes.
Hall Gym.
Okay, palakpakan natin si Fag. No, Leo ko di ang ina. Isa ilo na Leo. The star, okay? Si Fag, please assist sa sa kabataan. Okay? Then we have our drum beaters. No, thank you so much, Jenny Lopez. And we have Sir Ronnie Santillan. Thank you so much for driving sa atong drum beaters. And of course, let's welcome ang pinakagwapo ng kapitan sa Bacolod. We have the Honorable Cap Romel. Okay. Together with the Nova Del Maribon, Miss Olin the new one, Sir Obel Paredes, Kagawad Jason Moscovela, Kagawad, we have Nonoy Del Sinalo, Kagawad Jocelyn Makinan, Iyari Karawagin, Kagawad Jocelyn, Kagawad Shane Surico, together with Oliver, Marcelo, please join us up on stage here. Also, Arina, ang pinalagda na ito ng mga Purok President. At station of Purok President, we have the President, Junjun Aligonza, and the Vice President, Boyet Lagyuhan!
Let us all welcome the 37 Purok Presidents of Barangay Villamonte.
Yes, we will na sila ano. Para na sa kabataan, isang access kag CL Monsiliver. Okay? Yes, college the boy next door. Kasi kapamilya niya ng bansan sa iya. Boy next door, Obel Paredes.
Sir Romel, please.
Okay, press.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the Tom and Hugo Corps of Corazon, Luxing, Montelibano Elementary School.
MG, ang space ilana da. Kapag buwan sila paliogra sila. Please. Ayan.
Performance.
Hindi pa, hindi. Later pala. Okay. Mayo pa na, if you can idog-idog anay. Alright. We have a lot of surprises. Karon sa phone. Salamat, William Piano. Ang access, ano ang CL? Kamo no, CL? Okay, CL. Ang sapiat access. Okay, our heads of PIO, we have Sir Brandon Aguilera. Smile, guys! Tudlo si Cap! Thank you, Sir Brandon. NGC, dili ka mo na yun, ma'am. Dalang tama mo. Yes, dala kita, ma'am. Thank you. Lawagon lang karon kay pasulod kita. Thank you, NGC Jumpers. Actually, mga upod ko ni sila sa NGC, and most of them, mga taga Villamonte, yun din sila. Villa Akita,